So today we have this question: the system consists of three particles located at on each figure. So this is our particle 1, 2 and 3, or whatever it is, 1, 2 and 3. So this is our canvas and these particles are located in somewhat here. So we have our origin here, this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. Find the center of mass of the system assuming m1, m2 is equal to 1 kg and m3 is equal to 2 kg. So from the system we can say the m1 is located at 0 and 1. M1 is located in 1 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. So this is the coordinate points of m1. Similarly for m2, 2 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. So this is the coordinate points of m2. And for m3, 0, 2. 0 on x-axis, which is 0, and 2 on y-axis, which is 2. So similarly for m1, mass is 1 kg and coordinate point is this. For m2, mass is 1 kg, coordinate point is this. Similarly this. To find center of mass, we have this formula. It's like they want us to find center of mass of the system. So you have to show something like center of mass of this system here somewhere. So you will need x coordinate and y coordinate of the system, or the point which is with something x and something on y. So for x, this is our formula, and for y, this is our formula. So this is the summation of all m1 and x1. So here, what is our m1 and x1? So this is our m1 and this is x1. This is m1, this is x1. This is m1, m1, x1, m2, x2, m3, x3. And this is m1, y1, m2, y2, m3, y3. So this means m1, x1 plus m2, x2 plus m3, x3 whole divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So summation of mi means m1 plus m2 plus m3 till whatever it is. So we'll use this formula. So yes, this is what our equation will look like for x coordinate point and y coordinate point. This is our equation. So let's substitute the value. We have all the data. So substituting all the value, you will find x point of your center of mass is 0.75. So this is our m1, which is 1 kg, and this is our x1, which is this. This is our m2, which is also 1 kg, and this is our x2. So x2 is 2. Similarly, plot all the data and you will get 0.75 as the x, and still you have to find y. And for y, there is the same equation, and select all the data, substitute all the value of m1, y1, m2, y2 and m3, y3, and you will get 1. So this is the coordinate point of your center of mass for that system.